In this video, we're going to look at a technique for bringing dark mode to websites that don't natively support dark mode. This includes Power Apps, Power Automate, SharePoint, and many other websites you may visit during your development process. As developers and app makers, we spend all day working in front of computer screens. Towards the end of the day, my eyes become sensitive to brightness, especially web pages with white backgrounds. While dark mode can prevent this issue, not all websites support dark mode, including Power Apps and Power Automate maker portals. Microsoft is constantly improving Power Apps and Power Automate, and so hopefully dark mode support will be added someday. But in the meantime, Chrome extensions to the rescue. Chrome extensions are add-ins that can be added to the Chrome browser to provide additional functionality. You can search for extensions at the Chrome Web Store using the search box shown here. I'll include a link in the video description. And fret not Edge users, the Edge browser now supports Chrome extensions. While Firefox does not directly support Chrome extensions, it has its own extension store that you can search for the same or equivalent add-ons. This technique does not affect the apps that you develop, but rather only your experience while developing them. I'm going to share a couple of extensions that I use, but don't limit yourself to just these two. There are lots to choose from, so be sure to try out some others to see what works best for you. I don't have any affiliation with these extensions, and I'm not claiming they are the best, as I've not shopped them in a while, and there may be better options these days. I just want to show you how they work so that you can decide if this approach might be a solution for you. Note, I've not seen any single extension that works everywhere, so you may need to try different extensions until you find one that works with your favorite website. The Adjust Screen Brightness extension is my primary dark mode extension, and it works with Power Apps, Power Automate, SharePoint, and even YouTube. I primarily use the Super Dark Mode extension when I need to apply dark mode to an embedded PDF file. Here you can see I'm applying the Adjust Screen Brightness extension to SharePoint. And here's Power Apps. And finally, Power Automate. In summary, Chrome extensions allow us to bring dark mode to websites and apps where it's not natively supported. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you need immediate assistance with your project, please use the link in the description to schedule a one-on-one coaching session. We'll have a Zoom call to troubleshoot your issues and discuss any questions you may have.